Is there a difference between security cameras and surveillance cameras? And what are you actually looking at? Hey, we've been in the security business now for 20 years. And the question I get literally almost every single day in our retail shop. We have a retail shop. I'm not there today. I'm trying to spend more time doing videos again. And listen, for those of you who have subscribed and stuck around, thank you so much. I took, again, a couple-week hiatus just because we're so busy. I do not have the time to shoot videos. But I'm going to try to be better about it, I promise. So you're looking at surveillance cameras or you're looking at security cameras. Let me give you some basic differences here. You can go down to Sam's Club, and Walmart has them now. Obviously, Amazon has them. There's a lot of options out there to just go buy things that record video. And just because something records video does not mean that it's watermarked, it's secure, it's encrypted, it has multi-layers of authentication to log in. And when you open up your home or business to the internet, you may be opening it up to the entire world to view and see. And if you don't understand that, I'll tell you what, I'm going to put a couple links below. Baby monitors have been hacked. Apparently Ring has been hacked. There's a lot of these security cameras, surveillance cameras, under the guise of security cameras. They get put in homes and businesses that get hacked. And so you open up your business or your home to the outside world. We've been doing this 20 years. We are still about a third to half the cost of like ADT, brinks, those type of things. We have customers from Canada all the way down to South America. Paraguay, I think, is as far south as we are. But we do some very special things. I can share that with you in another video. But for purposes of this video, the question I get literally, I shouldn't say every single day. It's the most common question I get when people come into our retail shop and they're getting their background checked done, they're buying a firearm or something like that. You know, what do you think about Ring? Because quite honestly, everybody shops on Amazon. They shouldn't, but they do. A lot of people shop on Amazon. And what they're getting is a lot of great marketing from, this huge company. And so when they see security cameras, they think, oh, this is awesome. Ring, I can work on my phone, my front door, so I rings the doorbell. I get a picture. I know when UPS shows up. I know when the package is there. All that's awesome. And that truly is a pretty cool feature. Most companies, including us, here's a couple of our links that we have. We offer them as well. But the difference is, if you go look at the end user license agreement from a couple of years ago that Ring put out, they want to share your Wi-Fi to see what other Ring devices are in your neighborhood or in your apartment complex. They're more concerned about the marketing and what else they can sell you than they are whether or not you're getting a secure network or a secure system. We're completely opposite. I will probably always be a family-owned company because of this reason. I care more about your security than I do whether or not I'm marketing you something else. Now, here's something cool about us. If you have a service from us, if you have either a security system or you have a surveillance system, which is cameras, which a lot of people call, but ours are really secure, then you do get to buy guns, ammo, and stuff at wholesale cost. We offer that as a perk because we believe that you need to protect not only and defend your home or your business or your employees. It's our duty to protect and defend. As men of the house, as people who are in charge, we have a duty to do that. But that's the other side of the business. What I want you to think about is if you're purchasing cameras, you need to think about and make sure that it has this. Do you realize what that sticker right there means? Very few systems have that. Very few systems can say that. Now look, ours is not end-to-end made in America. I wish it were. When Trump was president, a lot of manufacturing came back. Most of the equipment that we sell on the security piece is manufactured either in Mexico, Ohio, and Canada. Some of the NVRs and those pieces are still made in China. We just can't get them in the U.S. But I buy as much as I possibly can that's American-made, American-engineered. That's just my choice. If you don't believe in doing that, I can't help you. I can't help you because when you need security or you need tech support or you need help or you need a secure patch or you need to make sure that your Android phone and your iPhone are securely connecting to your security or surveillance system that controls your bank, we're in banks, we're in mortgage companies, we are in homes, we are in regular businesses too. But ours has the layers of security that you must have that meets the requirements to actually be inside of financial institutions. So when you're looking at security cameras, just regular old security cameras, okay? Throw those away. Make sure you ask a couple questions. Is it encrypted end to end? Does it have double verification, or does it have a double opt-in so that you can securely log into the cameras? And then is it watermarked and timestamped so that you're getting something that you know is useful in court? A lot of videos just not useful in court. I hope this helps you out as you're looking at surveillance versus security. And look, our homes and neighborhoods are a little less safe in a lot of places than they used to be. Nashville's getting a little rougher even. We live close to Nashville, and you never know when you might have to use something in court. Hey, do me a favor, like and subscribe. We got a bunch of videos coming out now, about 50 topics we want to share with you as all this new security equipment's coming out and all this new surveillance equipment and the barrage in the market trying to get you to buy junk. And one last thought. If you're looking at surveillance cameras, or if you wonder if they're security cameras, if you're buying your diapers and your cereal from the same place that you get your cameras, it's probably not secure. Have a great day. Thanks.